It looks like we're going to have to hoof it. Thought they were done with this already. So, we're going to take a shortcut and walk through this construction site. Mason work. Oh, there we go. We got us some security. Mr. Security Guard. So, yeah. Okay. We'll see how this goes. Damn rocks. Shit. Man, it's cool in the shade. What's that thing? Is that bridge open yet to go across the railroad? Shit. Okay. Alright, so it looks like we're going to have to do this a little parkour too. So, I'm going to have to cross the railroad track, go that way. And when we go to there's an electrical box that we can climb. We jump off the electrical box, through the sky, land on this concrete edge that keeps the dirt from landsliding off this neighborhood area. Climb through a little bit of trees, and back on the road we are. So yeah, that's how that's going to go. Alright, you guys, can't cross that bridge up in front of us either, like we were hoping to do. They got the south end of it closed off still and shit. So Chef Beats and Way got to find another way. Have to do some straight fucking parkour shit. People already tagging the bridge. Alright, so we're gonna have to go off of this way, where the graffiti is over there on that wall. Fucking gravel. Railroad. Railroad. We got railroad around us. All this shit. Oh, okay. What? I'm filming everything. So it looks like maybe we need to climb up over this way.
What's up, man? You shot me over here.
Yeah.
Deuces. Ray Bag representing T-Town, baby.
West side. Alright, let's climb this. Damn. Yeah, this got washed out bad. getting it. I don't have no available hands, but I'm still fucking getting it. Damn, look at this destroyed ass land. Golly. Ow, right in the ear. Shit. Almost. Yeah. God damn it. Alrighty. There he goes, bombing the hill. Or not.